Make gold refinery 99.99%. Gold scrap from the factory. We will use Aqua Regia Gold Refinery. Contains 1 part nitric acid and 3 parts hydrochloric acid. Mix. Let's leave for 2 to 5 minutes. Slowly pour into the gold fragments. Watch out for harsh reactions. You should have a container for the case. Overflow of chemicals. Get it? Hazardous reactions of the substance will produce toxic gases and acids. It is dangerous. You must use chemical protection equipment, such as gloves and gas masks. Many people worry about it creates pollution and dirt. But I think this is a career of the core, to work with waste from the factory, to produce high-tech products. And everyone has used it, like a phone or TV you watch every day. Let the acid dissolve gold exhausted. I used cotton wool to filter the water. Save money on your wallet. And it works. How to make gold settling. Chemicals include urea and sodium metabisulfite. For urea, you do not put acid. Aqua Regia is too saturated too. No need to enter. In this case we put too much Aqua Regia, so we have to use urea to reduce acid. Regia Kia. Put it to saturation of urea. put it to saturation of sodium metabisulfite. Leave it to gold settling 2 to 5 hours. Gradually pour water out. Clean the gold sludge with hot water 3 to 5 times. You get gold sludge clean. I use a hot air gun. Make dry gold powder. Gold powder does not splash. If you have a better way, please recommend. To be useful for everyone. For this video, I have a special technique video footer. Bring the dried gold powder to the melt. I use induction heater with graphite crucible, melt gold. I like and are very happy with this time. and share the knowledge I have for everyone. Archimedes channel. You have more comments, please leave a comment to be useful for everyone. Hope you like our compilation, please share it and subscribe. Watch also our other videos. Thank you very much. Sprinkle a little borax powder. This is the gold we received. We have a technique that gets gold added. This is the chemical water remaining from gold precipitation. We will use the zinc powder precipitated gold again. This process also reduces the acidity before disposing. Gently put the zinc powder down slowly to the saturation point. Water filter the gold dust to get dried. Gold dust received. We will bring gold extraction. We use the acid aqua regia. Gold precipitate with sodium metabisulfite. The gold powder has been melted. I got another 1 gram of gold. I hope this step is beneficial for everyone. I've left gold with this step a lot. Deplorable. Hope you do not same as me. Then meet again in the next clip.